Trading is not about catching every move. It's about waiting for the right confirmation. In today's session, we'll combine the Keltner Channel, Fractal Indicator, and Parabolic SAR to understand trend direction, market structure, and confirmation in a simple way. We'll focus on real market behavior, including both clean setups and situations where extra patience is needed. So stay with me till the end, and let's break this strategy down step by step. So, after checking a few currency pairs, I found a chart that looks interesting. Here, the market was already moving in a bullish direction. After a small pullback, price started moving upward again from the middle area of the Keltner Channel, which suggested that the market was still holding its bullish structure. At the same time, the parabolic SAR dots were below the candles, which was supporting the upward direction. The fractal indicator had already highlighted the recent turning areas, and the latest price action was showing that buyers were trying to continue the move. So, in this setup, I mainly focused on the bullish chart structure, the Keltner Channel support, and the parabolic SAR confirmation. Based on these observations, I placed an upward entry here. This setup closed in the expected direction. The important part was that the chart structure and indicator confirmations were aligned before the move continued. If you have any questions, you can ask on Telegram. You will find the link in the description. Additionally, you will also get to learn advanced chart analysis there. Here, the market was already moving in a bullish direction, and after a small pullback, price started moving upward again. The Keltner Channel was still supporting the bullish structure, and price was trading in the upper area of the channel, which showed that buyers were still active. At the same time, the parabolic SAR dots were below the candles, which was giving bullish confirmation. The fractal indicator had already marked the recent turning areas. So in this setup, I mainly focused on the bullish market structure, the Keltner Channel support, and the parabolic SAR confirmation. Based on these observations, I placed my second upward entry here. This setup didn't work as expected, so I'll leave this chart here and look for a cleaner opportunity on another currency pair. If I find stronger confirmation there, I'll consider the next setup. This time, market is already moving in a clear bullish structure, so my focus is on a possible continuation setup. Price is holding in the upper half of the Keltner Channel, and after a short pullback, buyers are starting to push the market upward again. The parabolic SAR dots are currently below the candles, which is supporting the bullish direction. The recent fractal points are also helping us see that the overall structure is still holding rather than turning into a full bearish reversal. If price continues to hold this bullish structure and the indicators remain aligned, the indicator's prediction could prove correct shortly. And this time, the market followed the structure we were watching. The setup closed in the expected direction, a good reminder that patience and confirmation matter more than rushing into every move. This time, the chart is showing a fairly strong bullish condition. From this area, several large green candles have formed, showing strong upward momentum in the market. During this bullish move, price tried to pull back slightly, but it couldn't even reach the middle line of the Keltner Channel before the bullish trend started strengthening again. That is why this chart looked suitable to me for a possible upward entry. At the same time, both the parabolic SAR and the fractal indicator are also giving fairly clear bullish indications. Based on these observations, I decided to consider one position here. This setup also played out in the expected direction, a good example of how patience, structure, and confirmation can work together when the market is clear. Here, the fractal indicator and parabolic SAR are both showing bearish indications, but I want to wait for one more confirmation. If price breaks below the middle line of the Keltner channel, I'll consider taking a downward position. After price broke below the middle line, I placed one downward entry here. This will be my final setup for today, and regardless of the outcome, I'll close the session after this. The final setup also closed in the expected direction. I'm ending the trading part of today's session here, but before we finish, as I mentioned at the beginning, let me quickly show you the complete settings for all three indicators. First, let's take a look at the Keltner channel settings. For the fractal indicator and the parabolic SAR, I've kept the default settings and haven't made any changes. So, those are the complete settings for today's setup. That's all for this session. Keep practicing, stay patient, and focus on clear confirmation before making any decision. I'll see you in the next session.